We're going to be creating a registration or sign-up form with React.js and Tailwind CSS in this video. You'll have this kind of sign-up form with validation by the end of this video. I'm going to start from the very beginning by showing you how to create a React project with Vite and how to install Tailwind CSS, since Tailwind version 4 came out and there is a new way to install Tailwind CSS with Vite. Go to the directory you want your project to be in. Use the command npm create vite at latest, followed by the name of your app. Then use npm install. Now we'll go to VS Code. Now we're going to install Tailwind CSS. Since we're using Vite with React, we'll be installing Tailwind CSS as a Vite plugin. On Tailwind CSS website, we'll go to the installation and use the command as follows. Then go to vite.config.js, import and add Tailwind CSS/Vite to the plugin as follows. We'll go to index.css and import Tailwind CSS. You can delete the rest. You can now start using Tailwind CSS. Use npm run dev to start the process. Let's see if Tailwind CSS is working. Inside app.js6, we will delete everything and write something here and use class name. Now that Vite and Tailwind CSS are installed, we will start the sign-up form. Since this is a sign-up page, we will have a logo at the top, then a message prompting the user to sign up. We'll start with a form tag and have 4 inputs in it and a button. Since we have a similar design for input, I'll create an input component separately. This input component will take props, which are placeholder, ID, label, and type. We'll have div for the label and an input tag. Inside the input tag, we'll have ID, type, and placeholder, which will all come from the props. We will style the component. Now we will import the input component into app.js6 and use it there. Let's style the overall look of the form page.